welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have an amazing week so far. So today is Mother's Day and I am just getting ready to go to my mum's. So yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing very pinky today. I've got my pink lipstick and a pink jumper. So I feel like Mother's Day is definitely a pink day slash purple, white. So yeah, I definitely got my nails for that. So yeah, I am going to my mum's house. We're gonna have some food there and then we're just gonna chill. And usually we like to go out for Mother's Day, but we did that last year. But today we're just gonna be going to her house on Mother's Day. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what are your plans for Mother's Day, or what did you do for Mother's Day? Because by the time I post this video, it might be already be late. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know how your Mother's Day went. So yeah, so I want to share with you the little gift that I got from my mum for Mother's Day. So as you can see, pink box, everything's just pink today. Here, there's a nice little especially for you gift. I got this from Amazon, so it's just a nice little gift. So I've got her cute little hamper set card, so I've just put her name on here. In here I've got her little bath bomb set, so a nice little love heart. I think that's super cute. And is a makeup little bag, so I thought this would be nice, so she can put her lipstick and lip gloss and whatever she likes to put in here. So I thought that is super cute. I saw this when I got it from Amazon and I thought, oh my god, she likes candles, we gotta get her some candle. And this was in the box, I don't know if you can see. So this is a natural soy wax and pure essential oils scented. So this is super nice. I'm going to try and open it without ripping it. So you can see I've got here a nice little candle and it says Will's best mum. You know, she is going to love all this. So it's got like a vanilla lavender fruit smell to it. It's really nice. So she is going to love this. So this is the last one in the box. So we have this gorgeous World's Best Mum little glass. So she's going to enjoy this. So it's like she likes the glasses, so I love the nice gold writing to it. But yeah guys, that is just a quick unboxing Mother's Day gift for my mother that I'm going to give to her on the way. So she's going to be liking all this. I've just quickly come on here just to say happy Mother's Day, but it is going to be a late one, so happy belated Mother's Day, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Hi guys, so I've just got back from my mum's and I'm just going to show you my little gift that I got from my little boy. Well, it is from my mum, from my little boy on his behalf. So how cute is this, guys? So I've got some nice pink roses. So yeah, that's super cute. And I've got a lovely little card, a Mother's Day card. How cute. I just love how this like 3D truck is with these nice little flowers, and it says Mum, love from your son, which is super cute. So yeah, so I got these pink roses, a cute card, and then I also got some chocolates. So it says for you, and it's lovely nice little chocolates here. And then last but not least, we have some nice Yankee candles, which is definitely a must. You know how I am with candles. I'm really glad I have some nice candles. So this one is called Summer Daydream. And then this one is called Soft Cotton. So this would be perfect for my living room. So yes, all from my little boy. So yeah, I'm very happy with my little Mother's Day gift. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.